We have another failure. This time this whole segment has gone out. I believe it connects over here somewhere. Connects from somewhere over here. Now we have power here, even though it's very faint. That's connected. This powers the dog, that's working. So something let's see here. Notice now that everything is covered in snow, that doesn't help the cause any. Well, that looks like it's got power to it still. And it looks like that's got power to it. I don't know what happened. Oh, I almost fell. That stinks. I don't know what went wrong here. This is where the power is stopping, so I'm going to plug this up something else. I mean somewhere else rather. Let's see. Are you energized? Nope. I believe this has a plug on the end of it. Here we go. And it's working again. I don't quite understand that because the plug it came out of is working. Because this is plugged into it, which powers that dog. Oh no, it doesn't. This is something else. This powers the dog. And that's the plug. Alright, well, that's the patch for tonight. Wait a minute. What's going on here? This used to work. It just quit. You know, I bet the squirrels got to this. Daggone squirrels gets everything. But see, that's kind of working too. Well, it's very, very faintly. It's blurring out. Come on, unblur. Unblur. Yeah, you can see them bulbs right there. Very dimly lit. I don't know what's going on. It's too cold and too dark to troubleshoot this any further. It's working enough for tonight. We'll investigate again tomorrow.